Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto. Today, I just want to discuss another event that's coming up very soon on STARBETS. Yes, really can't wait for this. It's called the Summer Splash. There's going to be $25,000 in total up for grabs, which is going to be awesome. And it starts in 5 days and 4 hours. It's going to start on the 13th of July until the 20th. So it's going to be a pretty decent event, $25,000 prize pool. There's going to be spins again like we had before. That's going to be awesome, man. Really looking forward to this. So they're saying here, brace yourself for the Summer Splash event coming up soon. Our cosmic celebration is bursting with mind-blowing treasures, offering you the chance to dive into the 2 million star prize pool during our mining competition that will span the entire week. Keep a lookout for some unexpected delights, guaranteeing an extra splash of summer fun and wins in your gaming journey. So, looking forward to this event. It's starting on the 13th till the 20th July. So, looking forward to this. It's going to be a full week of, spins and awesome stuff, awesome rewards. I'm really looking forward to this, and I really do hope you are as well. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day supporting the channel. If you want to support a little bit more, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you are new. I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next one. Love you, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nibs. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, have a great time.